Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you how to host and join multiple servers. A common question we get is how to join your server if you have multiple servers set up on the same VPS. Well, it's super simple. Here I have 3 servers and I'm going to be showing you how to join them. For the first server, all you have to do is just copy the hostname and then open up the game you're hosting. I'm going to go ahead and open up Minecraft, and once it's open I'm just going to paste the hostname. Once you're in, you'll see this is my first server and I've joined successfully. As you can see, everything's working fine, so let's go ahead and try joining the other servers. On my second server, you basically do the same thing and copy the hostname, but then you also head to configuration and keep note of the first port at the top here as well. Then head back in your game and paste that in like so, making sure you leave a colon in between them. That way the server knows you want to join that specific server with that port. Then you'll be able to double click to join that server and ta-da, you're in your second server. For any of the servers, you just have to do the same thing. Copy the hostname and then keep in mind of the very first port of that service. Head back into your game, making sure you put a colon between the hostname and the port, and then join. As you can see, you're able to join all of your servers easily. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!